how to link your iPhone with your Windows 10. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to link your iPhone to your Windows PC or computer. So first thing we do is we go to the icon here, the start icon, click on it, and now go to settings, and now you have to choose phone right here. And as you can see, now you have this option that says add a phone. Now you have to click on it like this and click get started, and you will be able to link your iPhone or your Android phone also. And yeah, that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it is, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more videos, and thank you so much for watching till the end.